What's wrong? Verity, which way do you want to go? Are you mad that there's no way? You are. Here, come this way. Look, here's a path. Verity, look. Look, you can go that way. Look, you can go that way. See? I shoveled it. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's okay. You'll see. Oh, there. There you go. Now you can walk. Want to go? Okay, go on. What do you think of all this stuff, huh? Whoa. Very say, whoa. Is there a lot of snow everywhere? Yeah. Do you want to go somewhere? You do? Where do you want to go? Do you want to go up? You want me to hold you?
Okay.
You want me to hold you? You do. Okay, come here.